Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I have got some exciting news for all our Android users out there. Today I am thrilled to announce that ChatGPT, the incredible AI language model, is now available for Android device. That's right, you can now have the power up ChatGPT at your fingertips. So without further, let's dive into how you can get the ChatGPT on your Android device right away. So open the Play Store and type ChatGPT and select ChatGPT. So this is the official app ChatGPT. You can see on the about section. So go down and here this is the powered by OpenAI. So I have already downloaded, so I will open that, and I have already logged into the account. So this is the ChatGPT Android app. So if you want to change the set theme of the ChatGPT Android app, so go to the setting and select color scheme. So my favorite is dark, so I have already selected dark theme. If you want to select light, you can select light. So I will select dark. So this is my favorite theme. So if you want to see history, then you can click on the history section. So I have to type some thank you for Android app. Yeah, so if you want to delete this, so you can click on this three dot and you can delete this. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.